If you have shoulder pain, you will want to see this video.
Guaranteed. Stick around.
Bob and Brad, the two most famous physical therapists on the internet.
Okay, Brad. Why are you talking to Sam?
I don't know. It's just he was sassing me. Anyways, go on.
You start.
Oh, it's my turn. The most shoulder problems are caused by or worsen by how the shoulder blade is on the rib cage itself.
Out of place.
Oftentimes it's too low.
Right. They call it depressed, but not mentally. But
Yeah, so that actually can really lead to
shoulder impingement,
you
which
bet.
can lead to shoulder tears.
Right. So
So
you can't reach up
You
like
really
this.
want to improve this.
Right. So we're going to start with the base.
Right.
And
Go from there. We got
Right.
3 exercises to show you.
oh, 3. Okay.
Yep.
That's better than 4.
Okay, the first one is the doorway stretch.
Okay.
Brad, you want to demonstrate?
So to
We
do
don't have a
this,
door.
you have to be tall enough to reach to the top of the door, or
right.
get a hold of the edge. Make sure it's a good solid door. You don't want to rip
Pull
it off the hinges.
Yeah, right.
Okay, we don't have a door here, but we do have a
It could be the door frame too.
yeah, anything that is about the right height where you can grab that is sufficient and going to hold your weight. Now you're not going to hold your whole body weight on it, but there'll be 40, 50% perhaps.
Right.
So I'm just going to drop down, and I'm allowing the muscles, the lat muscles in the back that pull your shoulder blade out of place. We're going to stretch them to allow that shoulder blade to go where it needs to go.
Back up again.
I can feel that whole
You
shoulder.
can do that
Yeah.
throughout the day.
And just think about that shoulder blade. I can literally feel it moving up right there. And that's being aware, of your body. A lot of times you don't think about stuff
Right.
like that.
All right, this is from Rick Alderman.
Mm-hmm.
It's called the all 4 stretch.
All 4. Okay.
So my hands a little ahead of me like this. I'm going to go down like this and really stretch and move the shoulder blades at the same time.
So my fingers on the shoulder blade. See how it moves forward, stretching those muscles and ligaments. There you
Now
go.
you can bring your arms out to the side a little bit and go this way
So that's going to accelerate or increase the stretch.
or this way.
Now, there you go. Now it's going to work the other side.
Right. Now if you have bad knees,
Yes, bad knees and that's uncomfortable. You want to do that probably on a carpeted floor or someplace where you could cushion.
Right.
If you want to do it at your desk, and if it has wheels on it, it's a little better. Hands here and stretch.
or slide along the desk.
Sure. Yep. I'm going to actually hold aside. That helps. Move it in, stretch, and we're not trying to stretch the joint here so much, but get that shoulder blade to move. So think about relaxing that shoulder girdle, that area on the back side. Oh, there it goes.
Yeah, it looks better already.
Good. Life is good.
All right, this one's a little bit complicated, Brad, but what you do is you take your pinky side of your hand, put it up against the wall, go up to about level, and then at that point you try to think about lifting the shoulder blade.
Oh, that's way up there. We're going to go through this one more time.
And then I go down
Yep.
and I drop it.
Oh, look at that. You even got a clavicle.
At
on
least
there.
10 times throughout the day.
Sure. Yep. Could you do this on your other shoulder too for maintenance?
Yep, absolutely.
Yeah. Maybe you don't have to do 10 times, but you'll want to do it a few times.